Right. So in our previous video, we talked about the touch test and what it was and how to do it. And today we're going to talk about its significance as we realize that people are put into two groups when doing onboarding. So Sue, do you want to take us through those two groups?
Okay, well, you're absolutely right, Juliet. People are divided into two groups when they do the touch test. There'll be one group of people who will be able to wear the devices for the full 5 minutes during the touch test, and there'll be the other group who can't wear the devices for the full 5 minutes during the touch test. In fact, they may only be able to wear one or both devices for less than 1 minute. The reason for this is because they have very tense muscles. Now, this could be due to many factors. It could be because they clench or they grind their teeth. It could be down to stress. It could be because they have a job that involves them talking all day. It could even be down to chewing gum. All of these things could make the muscles very tense. Now, the other group who were able to wear the devices for the full 5 minutes, this indicates that they already have facial muscles which are relaxed and healthy. Now, we have these two very different groups, but we've devised a program which works for everyone. And we're actually going to talk more about this program in our next video.
All right. Thank you, Sue.
Thank you.